Okay, I've been dreading this one. Here it is, a grand opening of another eBay winner. Um, this was actually bought on eBay, and the seller was in the UK. So this is the box he shipped it in, and this was a pretty expensive, pretty rare CB I wanted. It was on my list. I had one at one time, and then I sold it, and I regretted it, and I've been looking for one for years, and I bought it. And another one of these guys who said he's been doing it for years, great packer, know how to pack, and gonna take care of this baby, this gem. And I got it, and it's not a tube radio, it's transistor, but even the wife said she thought she heard stuff crunching around, when I moved it. So anyway, without too much fanfare, because I don't know if it survived or not, but we're going to do the grand opening of it. Cheap cardboard, beat up, horrible shipping job. I see shredded up newspaper in there, and I know what radio it's supposed to be, but what a horrible shipping job. We got shredded up newspaper. Yay. And it looks like that's all we got. We got a lot of shredded up newspaper on top. I hate this stuff. Then they wrap the radio in plastic there, as you can see. So let's dig it out and hope for the best here. Alright, that's the bottom. More newspaper. And looks like the front's this way. So here's the grand opening. Let's see if it survived or not. Either way, I'm not happy with this. Oh, geez. Yeah. Well, you can see that, hopefully. Looks a lot rougher than I thought too. Midland 78-999. Rare Midland version of the GE Super Bass. Looks like it's been, used and abused. The seller didn't say that with his pictures. And we don't know if this is shipping or he just, sent it that way. Holes in the top. Yep. Well, I almost got all the radios I want, so when will I learn? Alright, that's going to be my grand opening of my prize, a Midland 78-999. Rough condition, got beat up during shipping, and might have been pretty rough even before it got shipped. So yep, another prize for Tram Doctor. Hey, I'm glad I'm getting out of this stuff. Alright, that's it for this one. Bye.